In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and chain effects in the FX Schematic. The FX Schematic is your scene's control room. It shows a visual map of how images and effects flow from your original levels to the final output. To open it, go to the Windows menu and choose FX Schematic. You'll see nodes representing your levels, an output node where everything ends up, an empty space where you'll build your effect pipeline. Think of each node as a box that does one job and the connecting lines as the path your image travels. To add an effect, right-click anywhere in the schematic and choose Add FX. You'll see categories like blur, color, light, and particles. Pick the effect that suits your goal. For example, a Gaussian blur for softening, a color corrector for tone adjustments, or a glow for highlight emphasis. The effect appears as a new node ready to be wired into your flow. Now connect it. Drag from your level node's output to the effect node's input. Then drag from the effect node's output to the main output node. You've just put the effect in the path of the image. If you see the line highlight as you connect, that's a good sign the link is valid. Keep an eye on arrow directions. They show the flow from source to result. With the effect selected, head to the FX settings panel to adjust its parameters. Each effect has its own controls, things like amount, radius, threshold, color, or blend style. Start with subtle changes and watch how they influence the image. Small tweaks often look more natural than extreme values. If something looks off, bring parameters back toward the middle and adjust gradually. Remember that effects are non-destructive here, so you can revisit settings anytime. To see how it looks in motion, use render and select preview. This gives you a real-time or near real-time look at your scene with the effect applied. If the preview seems heavy, give it a moment to cache. Once cached, it should feel smoother. Use this preview to confirm that the effect supports the story and doesn't distract from your subject. You can also stack multiple effects by chaining nodes in sequence. Connect your level to the first effect, then from that effect to the next, and finally into the output. The order matters. Blurring before color correction produces a different result than color correcting before a blur. Keep your schematic tidy by spacing nodes clearly and naming them so you can understand your pipeline at a glance. That's it. Open the schematic, add an effect, connect it, fine-tune, preview, and stack as needed to craft the exact look you want.